Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Question number 10, miscellaneous exercise, right? Last question of the exercise. Question number 10. See, the data are about an economy of two industries A and B. The values are in crores of rupees, right? Producer AB 2, user AB, final demand, total output, right? Now you see, here we are going to use Hawkins-Siemens condition, right? Now the user, below user AB is given, right? The A, below A, 50, 75, 100, 50, right? First you have to collect what is A11. A11, 50. A12, 75. X1, that is your total output, 200. Next, A21, 100. A22, 50. X2 equal to 200. From the tabular column, what are the things we need that we have to collect, right? Using this, we want to find the technology matrix, right? If the technology matrix we found only, we can move to the next conditions of Hawkins-Siemens, right? If Hawkins-Siemens is viable, only the system has a solution. Viable in the sense I minus b and determinant I minus b both are positive, right? First, what is B11? A11 divided by X1. 50 divided by 20. 200, sorry. So what can I get? 1 by 4. B12. What is your B12? A12. 75 divided by 200, which is equal to 3 by 8. The cancellation, 5 ones are 5 fours are 25 threes are 25 eights are. Next, B21. What is your B21? A21 divided by X2. So your answer is 1 by 2. B22. A22 divided by X2. Your answer is 1 by 4. Now we are going to get a technology matrix using B11, B12, right? Technology matrix. What is technology matrix? B, capital B. B11, B12, B21, B22. Next, I minus B. Here your I is 2 by 2 identity because technology matrix is 2 by 2. You have to check whether it is positive or not, the main diagonal elements, right? 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, what can you get? 3 by 4 minus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So main diagonal elements are positive. Now we will move to determinant I minus B. Determinant I minus B. Determinant 3 by 4 minus 3 by 8 minus 1 by 2, 3 by 4, which is equal to 9 by 16 minus 3 by 16, which is equal to 6 by 16. You have to cancel and write 2 3s are 2 8s are, which is equal to 3 by 8 greater than 0. So the main diagonal elements of I minus b are positive and the determinant is also positive. Therefore, the system is viable and it has a solution. Right? Therefore, the system has a solution. Since I minus b, the main diagonal elements are positive and determinant I minus b is positive, so that it has a solution. How to get the solution? The same formula. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into H A. The same way. I minus B, the whole inverse equal to 1 by determinant I minus B into H I minus B. Got it, children? Now, what is your 1 by determinant I minus B? That is 3 by 8. That I am going to write it as 8 by 3. Shall I, children? 8 by 3 into. Change the main diagonal entry. You have no issue. The same element. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Change the symbol of sub-diagonal. Right? What it is? 3 by 8. 1 by 2. What is your determinant? What is your determinant? Now you can use and multiply. Determinant I minus b is 1 by 3 by 8. That I wrote 8 by 3. Now you have to multiply 8 by 3 into 3 by 4. 8 by 3 into 3 by 8. 8 by 3 into 1 by 2. 8 by 3 into 3 by 4. It is easy. Right? Now, what is your result here? 3 cancel, 4 2s are. 3 cancel, 8 cancel, 1. Now, 2 4s are. Right? 8, here it becomes 2, 3 cancel. So, you arrive the result as what? 2, 1, 4 by 3, right? 4 by 3, here it becomes 2. Got it, children? Now, x is equal to the formula. X is equal to I minus b, the whole inverse into capital D. What is your capital D? You see, the final demand is given as 7550, but it is going to change it as 300 for A and 600 for B. That means D is equal to 600, sorry, D is equal to 300, A, B is equal to, A is 300, B is 600. Now, which is equal to 2, 1, 4 by 3, 2, bracket 300, 600, which is equal to 600 plus 600, 4 by 3 into 300. That means 3 can, sorry, I will write and show. 4 by 3 into 300 plus 1200. Got it, children? 1 minute. This format alone I will erase because it will confuse you, right? The bracket alone. Right? For your understanding purpose, we are doing a lot. That you keep it in your mind and work, children. Right? Now, which is equal to 1200 here 100 400 plus 1200 1600. Got it, children? That tabular column we are converting into the matrix, and easily you can calculate the values. The output, easily you can solve the problem. The output of A is what? 1200. The output of A is 1200 and B is what? 1600. Got it, children? Whether did you understand what I did? You have to go through once again. 1 minute, I will check. Right. The output values of A is output values of A is rupees 1200 and crores, and B is rupees 1600 and crores. Right, because in the question itself it is given as the values are in crores of rupees. That's why I wrote rupees 1200 and crores and 1600 and crores. Thank you, children. You have to go through. If you have any doubt, you should ask me. I will teach you how many times you are expecting. Right? I have no issue to teach again and again, but you have to work. Right? Thank you, children.